welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a puppet show, and I made Bradley get his channel back, so we're going to be doing a puppet show. Okay, let's get started. Right, go!
Hey guys, this is the King here, and I can't really see, is that camera? What is this?
Brad, when I call out, let me stop.
What am I doing? What is this?
Brad! No. I hope you enjoy it and enjoy the video. Can you move?
Okay guys, that's all I wanted to show you. That was a stupid puppet show I couldn't see. But anyways, so enjoy, and yeah, bye.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and today it was a really short video, so we might be doing another video later on, so yeah, so bye!
Bye!